Today the students did lesson 7, representing letters with numbers. And to complete this lesson, we focused on geometry actually, which I thought was a great correlation. They took a look at all of the formulas for the following shapes. To find the area of a square, students can do side squared or side to the second power. To find the area of a rectangle, students can do area is length times width. And to find the volume of a rectangular prism, students can do length times width times height. So the students went in and did examples of each of the problems. So for instance, if this square had a side of 9 centimeters, the students had to be able to evaluate side squared by plugging 9 in, evaluating it to the second power. That really means there are 2 9s repeated in multiplication, and the area of this unit would be 81. Okay? And if you look at the units, 9 times 9 is 81, centimeters times centimeters, centimeters squared. Area really is trying to find, and if I was doing this correctly, I would draw 8 lines to make 9. Sorry, this isn't beautiful. Okay, this would be 9 by 9, which would give you 81 squares inside, square centimeters inside that. Okay, now the area for this, if we gave them 12 inches and 5 inches, students would have to take this data and plug it into their area formula. So length 12 times width of 5 inches, 12 times 5 is 60, and that's going to be 60 inches squared. And volume's a little different. You're not trying to figure out how many squares fit inside an object. You're really trying to figure out how many cubes or cubic units fit inside. So if you were given 10, 2, and 7, the students had to evaluate the volume formula by saying, okay, length is 10, width is 2, height is 7, and this would, let's give it a unit. Inches, inches, inches. 10 times 2 is 20, okay? 20 times 7 is 140. Since you're doing inches times inches times inches, that's inches repeated 3 times in multiplication, that's inches cubed. And that's a brief summary of lesson 7.